Get the shark them. Dolphin. Get the junker them for Jamaica.
Bruh.
I go on good man, Lisa. Yeah, shell it down. Alright, if you get the donkey them next. Next! So we can get some scissors and Brazil. Where do you wanna go?
Hello, Mr. No, we're here to go into the ark.
No on the ark, yeah?
Yes, this ark, why not?
You ever feel like there's someone on the door for like instructions?
What do you mean?
We put out a notice. Say we want one of every animal species.
Yes.
One male and one female. What you want to do, Bulago?
No, but that don't sound right, Mr. Noah. Why two we can't come on the
You
boat?
can't come on the ark and the two of you. You have to go find a cow.
Mr. Noah, this is not right. What about our rights? It's modern
That's
times.
about right. Hear me now? Hear me now?
Mr. Noah.
A 4.5 day, I out there count off and I check off animal, you know.
And?
Me tired. Yo, when the lion walk past me, you know, a piece of afraid catch me, you know.
Okay.
And I take a lizard and them sit there when nobody now go like. Hey, you come talk about rights?
But-
What kind of rights here?
But Mr. Noah, it's modern times now. That cannot be fair to us.
Listen to me. God say him want one of each species. One male, one female. The reason for that is so that the animal them can procreate.
Oh,
So that when
okay.
you company boat, you just don't dead off. And no more species on the left.
can't
So when it's two
understand.
on the bull company arc, how on the procreate?
What about artificial insemination?
You know, see me. Hear me now? We don't move in front.
No, Mr. No, we
Look
can't.
how come the heart door.
Mr. No, we
Come and
can't.
lock the heart door.
Mr. No,
Me
we
done
can't lock the
because
heart door.
now make God know say no ox tail,
Oh my God.
no cow foot,
Oh God.
no cow skin
No,
soup,
Mr.
no
Noah.
steak. Becoming no
Mr.
water.